Okay, there we go. Let me share the
Yeah.
screen again. Ridiculous. I don't know why it did that. All right. Okay. So that the scientists have discovered the whistles are important of how dolphins communicate, and its discovery has necessitated further investigation because they do not know how advanced this communication system is. Okay. Although much about dolphin communication remains a mystery, scientists have discovered three distinct sounds that dolphins frequently make: chirps and chicks and whistles. Scientists have learned that dolphins use clicks to create a sonar map, which allows them to navigate and hunt, but a part of possibly transmitting its location and clicks do not appear to serve any communication purpose. Rather, research indicates that dolphins communicate with each other by whistling. The discovery has necessitated further investigation, as scientists are not yet sure whether the whistles compromise a complex system of linguistic communication or a simple set of sonic cues, the ones you use from other animal species. Based on this package, the most reasonable inference is that A. Dolphins are not the only animal species that communicate vocally. B. Dolphins never use clicks for communication. C. Dolphins are more intelligent than other animal species. D. Dolphins frequently communicate their locations to each other.
Um, let me see. Dolphin. Let's try D. I think D. I might be wrong, but I think D. If it ain't, it's A.
What's that again?
I said, let's try D. If it ain't, it might be A.
Nope, it's A. You tried D.
So I said A. I said both of them, but I said if it ain't, I said the D wasn't the right one. The A was. So A is the right one,
The,
right?
the correct answer is A. The final sentence of the passage mentions
That's
cues like the ones used by other animal species, which suggests that other animals use vocal communication. So A is correct.
okay.
Okay, the last one. So we have,
Yeah.
let's see how fast we actually, how far we get with this one. Okay, Marvin Friedman's groundbreaking new study of plays of Henrik Ibsen will alter the course of Ibsen's scholarship forever. Previously, scholars limited the areas of their study to a particular phase of Ibsen's career, since a different scholarly approach seemed to fit each of the phases. Freeman has instead taken on the entire scholarship does not diminish the depth which Freeman explores each work. Ibson's career is now liberated from arbitrary divisions and stands before us as a complete picture. It will be years before where we can fully appreciate the service that Freeman has rendered. What is the main point of the paragraph? A. Freeman has triumphed over obstacles. B. Additional scholarship is needed to clarify Freeman's intent. C. Freeman's study is overcomplicated despite its scholastic value. D. Freeman's study will have lasting importance.
It looked like it's uh roll it back up on um Uh, it looked like it might be B or D.
B or D?
Yeah, one of
Well, you got to pick one. There's only one answer.
yeah. Well, um, I think I'll go with B.
Okay, you went with B. All right.
It's D.
All right. You got that one wrong. That's the last one. We can still go through a few. We can still like do a review of the ones you got wrong.
Say
If
that again.
the last one is wrong, you picked B. It's D.
It's C. D.
It's
It's D,
D.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The question 11 explanation. The correct answer is D. The author mentions in the first sentence that Freeman's study will alter the course of Ibben's scholarship forever. The author goes on to discuss why this is so, making the main point of the paragraph that the study will have lasting importance, as stated in answer D.
It was on the third one, the third section, A, and that's number 1 and 11. I never did get that straightened out. That was on the third one, third section, assessing as lesson.
Yes.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yes.
It was number 1 and number 11.
It was number 11.
Yeah, that's on the third section. It was the 6th of February.
What do you mean the 6th of February? I'm not sure what you mean.
That was the session. That was the date that we had it on.
Oh, you mean the test. So here's what
Yes.
happens. Stop. They they mixed up the questions. So some of them are going to be familiar and some of them are not. That's why you got
Uh-huh.
some of them wrong. That's why the website doesn't make them all the same.
They make a mistake.
No, they didn't make a mistake. They mix up the questions.
Okay.
Challenge. Some of the questions are still some of what you've seen before, but some of them are new questions.
Right.
So that's what's going on there.
Okay. Well,
Let me go. Let's go through another one quickly since we have about 20 minutes left.
okay. What, you going to another test?
Yeah, because you went through that one kind of fast, which I'm going to just recommend if you're going to take the test, you're taking a scheduled test, you want to take your full time on it.
Okay. We'll go to another one then.
Make sure this ain't the same. Wait. Stupid thing. Okay, number one. You may think that all cells are the same. However, plant and animal cells actually have quite a few differences. The most obviously difference is size, as a plant cell can be up to 10 times bigger than an animal cell. Furthermore, they contain different structures. Animal cells lack the chloroplastics and cell wall. Wait a second. My keyboard is going crazy here for some reason. I don't know why. There. It just hit another ad. Are you kidding me? Hold a second. Let me see if I can move this out of the way. Okay, hold it a second. Give me 1 second. Being stupid.